Hello. Welcome to Touching the Edge. Thank you so much for joining. My name is Drake, and I'm so happy to see you today. I'm happy to see you because we're continuing with this 40-day series. The end is the beginning. Recognizing now that we're in the beginning of the year and really well into the beginning of the year, that we really want to stimulate and thrive in this period. And so I want to give you a recipe for thriving. Have you ever seen people, for instance, who really are really great cooks? They can go into the kitchen and just come out with something amazing. And so we want to be able to create recipes that work for ourselves. And this is a recipe that I want to suggest that you can stimulate to promote thriving. Thriving, again, is like one of those elements. You can't make a breeze happen, but if you open a window, you significantly increase your chances of having one. And so if you add these three elements, you are going to significantly increase your ability to thrive. And these three elements they stimulate each other. One is joy. Really bringing joy to the table, really bringing enthusiasm, a hearty yes, an enthusiastic yes for your life as it is, having a love for your life. When you activate this joy, when you activate this enthusiasm, when you activate this relationship to knowing that your life and its experiences have meaning, when you recognize that you're making progress, that you're not just the same as you used to be, you stimulate joy. When you stimulate joy, you activate another one of the elements, these three elements that really come together to create thriving. The second element when you activate joy is you stimulate confidence. The more joy you have, the more confident you become. When you have this confidence, when you are enjoying your life, when you're having more and more fun, when you have joy, you have more fun. When you have joy, you're actually having accomplishments. And with accomplishments come confidence. So with joy, we stimulate confidence. With confidence, and we really want to understand how to stimulate this confidence. We do it by being aware of what our intent is and how we're making progress to it. We do it by being aware of what our intent is and setting up goals and framing them in a way that makes us feel like we're winning. When you have accomplishments, even in areas that don't seem that big, when you set your intent to begin exercising and begin to step into it even just a little bit, you increase your confidence. When you set your intent and you follow through, even in small areas, you build your confidence and build it for greater accomplishments. So confidence plus joy stimulate resilience. Resilience is what it's all about, bouncing back. Resilience, recognizing the power of the word resilience. Re means to do again, and zilliance means to notice the excellence that other people miss. So when you stimulate joy and confidence, you become more resilient. You become more mindful. You become more in the present. When you let go of worry, it allows you to really be in the moment that you're in. So resilience is one of the elements that is crucial. And again, when you stimulate one of these, you stimulate them all. When you stimulate confidence, you stimulate resilience. When you stimulate resilience, you stimulate joy. When you stimulate joy, you stimulate confidence. It all builds together. So activate any one of these processes and find a way to be consistent every single day to build on any one of these three elements. If you build one of them, you build all three. Thank you so much for joining. Let us know what you're doing to make this new year a masterpiece, one of the best years of your life. Let us know what you're doing. Please write in, ask questions, make comments, and we'll make videos about your questions. So thank you so much for joining. I'm going to ring the bell. Here we go. My friend, we need to thrive right now. Thriving is not an option. It's actually what we need to do to make the world a better place. I bring my hands together and I bow to you. Let's thrive together. Namaste. Thank you.